up, you toodles? So, a lot's happened since I talked to you, but right now what I'm doing is tearing apart the Challenger, getting it ready for paint to go back on the rotisserie today, hopefully, or maybe tomorrow morning. Depends on how far I get it tore down today. But so far I've taken out the engine and tranny. Now I'm going to try to put it on some little rolly dollies I have, and then keep going. But I was doing this, I thought it would make a good video, so here we are. I'm gonna do like an entire video series of getting this thing done and ready, like all separate from all the other cars. And yeah, so sit here and watch me. But I want to show you one thing. Look at that. 67, 427, 4-speed Corvette. All we're doing to that thing so far right now, as I know, is the speedometer is not working, so it's probably a cable, and then it's got a slight oil leak coming from somewhere. So I've got to get this thing off the rack so I can work on that thing. So that's what I'm trying to do today. So hopefully tomorrow I can tear that thing down and then, oh yeah, put a stock carburetor back on that thing, because right now they have an Edelbrock and he wants it all original. He wants to put a Holley back on it. I'm pretty sure that's what came on it. So I gotta find one of those, but that'll be fun. So here we go. Let's do it. That's how you do that very sketchily. Because I really didn't want to take off the AC compressor. So I had 3 on there, and now it's on there. It's good. It's nice and strong. I got ratchet strap just in case, but it ain't going nowhere. Might put something over the back too, just to keep the tail end of the transmission on there. But now move on to the rear end and then some other stuff, and there we go. I haven't showed you guys this, but the rear end's finally in, or halfway taken out now, but it's in. Got rid of that Watts link setup with a 4-link and a track bar instead, which I prefer. I prefer that I get rid of the Watts link. What's up, YouTube? So a few days have passed. That thing's on the lift. The Challenger is on the rotisserie. I didn't film that or nothing. I still gotta take like all the steering and all that out, AC. But other than that, it's on the lift. So I just wanted to give you guys an update where it is. Trying to work on this thing, so some work will resume on this in a few days. So that's probably the end of this video for now. Check in for part 2, I'm guessing. And that's it.